Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me Atia Salwa in writing to subject in this fourth week. Have you done with the first task? I hope you who do not do the first task can still continuing doing the first task, and you can still move on this material in this week. In initiation 4 in this week, we would like to learn how to write a process, or we can call this kind of text as a procedure text. And the other material is that we would like to learn how to write sentence in a question form. Well, in procedure text, the generic structure is that the first one is the title of the text, the second one is introductions, and the last one is body or the content. You can put the conclusion, but actually this is optional. In the first paragraph, that is introductions, you can tell about the skill that will be elaborated or will be explained in the text. After you already mentioned the goals of the text, so the goals or the aim of the text, in the next paragraph you can start to tell about the process. You can use the transition word such as first, and then you can use second or next, and so on. So this kind of paragraph is a sequential orders. And the other things is that when you want to write a sentence in a question form, you can use WH question word such as who, that can be used for telling or to ask about person, where to ask about place, why to ask about reason, when to ask about time, how to ask about manner, what to ask about object, idea or actions, which to ask about choice, and the last one is whose to ask about possessions. Remember, in question form, you should put verb or modal verb before the subject. For example here, who is that man? So you should put the first one is the question word who, and then you put verb or to be, and then the last one you put the subject. So in question form, the verb is inverted in the first part, and then the second one is the subject. It's different from the sentence form. Well, you can learn more by reading this one, and we will meet again next week in other subjects and material. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.